So if you're ever wondering where the hair in China comes from, right? Like I've been saying on YouTube, it starts right here in India always. They take all this wasted hair, they buy it for pennies on the dollar, and they go to China and reprocess it with chemicals and whatever their magic fingers they use to touch it. However, that hair quality is not going to last long. And you can see from starting right here why it's not. This hair is the type of hair you can't really bring back unless you're using some kind of special chemicals and processes that we just don't take the time to do. That hair is very low quality, it doesn't last very long, but once again, this is where it starts from. It starts from Indian temple hair. However, for us, the qualities we sell, we can't sell this stuff to the market. We have to send this off to a second market, which is China. So yes, all this hair that's wasted right here from us is actually sold. And let me tell you, everything you see here, which could be upwards of 100 kilograms, is only going to go for about $2,000 in China, right? They're going to take this and they're going to make a million bundles from it. And they're going to charge $15, $20, $30 the most and still make their profit, however, with really, really low quality. If you want to learn more about what's going on in the human hair industry, definitely check out our website, check out our hair business classes, and hit the subscribe and like button down below.